Okay. Over here with the noodles once again. Okay, we're gonna turn these noodles off. Be right back, I gotta get the strainer. You gotta keep an eye on that. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, now we're gonna put our sauce in here. That works for me. Okay. So, a little sauce in here. That's one and two. All out of there. Okay. Let's put this in here. So let's blend that in. Right? And now we're gonna season it again with the herbs. You gotta taste it as far as the salt, okay? So let's put the Italian seasoning in here. You can go heavy-handed as much as you like. But you want to really give it a good taste. And we're going to do the basil. I'm going to go heavy with the basil. That brings it out. That really does it. Pour some parsley. Right. We're going to do the garlic and pepper again. Right. Okay. We're going to do the thyme, just a little bit of thyme I put in there, okay? That smells so good. Let me get a spoon. I want to taste it. I want to give it a taste to see what we have here. More salt. Where's my other salt? Okay. I can use the rest of that. I got a little sugar. Not about the sugar, y'all. Okay. Now let me go back in here. That's perfect. That's good.